Looking for a powerful OBD2 scanner that won't break the bank but delivers top-level performance? Meet the BOSSCOMM IF745, a professional diagnostic tool packed with advanced features for both home mechanics and workshop pros. The IF745 Scan Tool's DDC lookup instantly translates fault codes into user-friendly explanations. Its IM readiness feature streamlines emissions testing with a single tap, and Freeze Frame lets you pinpoint the exact moment of a fault for in-depth root cause diagnosis. Combined with a live data dashboard and advanced diagnostics, O2S, OBMON, EVAP, it delivers comprehensive insights for confident troubleshooting. The IF745 swiftly purges air from brake lines to restore braking sensitivity, fine-tunes maintenance cycles to eliminate false alerts, resolves parking brake issues with one-click control, recalibrates steering sensors for stability, optimizes engine idling, acceleration for smoother performance, and deeply resets battery systems to extend lifespan and range via precise parameter adjustments. In addition to supporting all OBD2 code reader functions and 6 reset options, ABS, EPB, SAS, BMS, oil, throttle, it expands diagnostics from 4 systems, engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, to all vehicle systems, including steering, suspension, and body electronics. The IF745 diagnostic scanner covers 90+ global car brands and offers support in 13 languages, making it perfect for DIYers, auto mechanics, or as a thoughtful gift. With a single-click auto-VIN feature, it instantly retrieves vehicle serial numbers, streamlining diagnostics for users globally. The IF745 diagnostic scanner is compact, ergonomic, and equipped with a 7-inch display for seamless operation. Its intuitive interface simplifies navigation, and Wi-Fi connectivity ensures the tool stays updated. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: full system coverage, service functions, lifetime free updates, easy-to-use UI. And cons: doesn't support all advanced functions on every vehicle, may lack dealer-level programming for newer luxury cars. So, is the BOSSCOMM IF745 worth it? If you're looking for power, flexibility, and pro-level diagnostics without paying thousands, this scanner checks all the boxes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more auto tool reviews and car tech tips.